I know, I know. Oh my gosh, he's going to start making fishing baits again. Yep. So this is from a bunch of yard sales. This is just a conglomeration from a bunch of yard sales. We're not going to spend a lot of time going through what and what, but we're gonna kind of go over what I'm looking at, which I think I have enough of a conglomeration here to come up with some pretty cool looking patterns. This kind of motor, it is motor oil. That's what I was going to say. That kind of looks like motor oil chartreuse, and it is glitter. This right here is a root beer pep green. So, I mean, that's another one to go together. And then here, and this right here, you've been seeing some videos, is a future video, which I got these, and I forget what they're called, but they're articulated baits. I'm going to try to tie one of them, and I'm probably going to do it in here in the near future, maybe even this weekend. And hopefully I can make a decent looking little fish. But anyway, so this right here is margarita grub, Fat Albert margarita grub, close to the same coloring. This strange looking stuff, I don't know what that is, but black and silver flake. That's kind of cool. I think we can do something with that. And this is a baggie full of different ones. Looks like some chartreuse somethings. I don't know what that, swimtails. A couple of bags of chartreuse swimtails. These are cork stops. Here we've got a little bit of a conglomeration. So some of these will go with the other ones. Some of these will go with this. And I may take these chartreuse swimtails and kind of put them in this motor oil stack here. And some of that in the motor oil stack. And again, these are tubes, looks like. Choice of Pros, Championship Lures, Lucky Strike. Tube jigs, or tube worms. That's, don't know. That is a Tequila Sunrise. I don't know. Maybe we'll leave that alone. Maybe I'll try that. This right here, I don't know what you'd call these things. What does it say? The Salt Advantage. Oh, these are salted. I don't know that I really like salted ones. I don't know what that is. And here, this is kind of a dark green pumpkin. So these look like tubes as well. I don't know whether I want to put these with the motor oil pile or what. So undecided. Right here, this is something candy, but that goes towards the motor oil category. That little bit there. Over here, this is some kind of pumpkin color. Don't know what it would be, but maybe potentially over here. This is pretty neat ribbed worm. Looks like it may be in the light brownish, motor oilish, heavy green flake category, so that's a questionable. This is the same thing, but red flake. This is a watermelon red flake. So unknown. What is this? Don't know. But more of a white with a chartreuse green and black flake. And here, these are baby brush hog green pumpkin. So maybe that's enough to do some green pumpkin. I have to look at these. I think I have a mold that is called brush hog. And here we got Shiner Shad watermelon seed. So I've got a lot of this stuff that's kind of the same colorations in category. So I may end up doing maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 mixings. And what I'm talking about here is cutting this stuff up, remelting it, and casting it into some of my custom baits that I want to make. This right here looks like some swivel spinners. Could probably put on some jigs to make swivels or spinners out of jigs of some sort. I don't know. I'll have to look into that more detail. Looks like it's a basic swivel with a spinner on one end of it, so I don't know the point or purpose. I don't see a hook in there. Maybe there is. I think. Oh yeah, there he is. There's like a little corkscrew thing for holding a worm. So this is like put a spinner on a worm. Is what those are. Okay. And then here is some split rings. I'll come up with a use for that. Probably tied into wherever I put it. This stuff right here on making those. This right here is a knot tire. I forget what kind of knot this will make. I don't know if it's a blood knot or if it'll make a what and what or what. But that's a knot tying tool. If you know what it is, share it with me. I want to know too. I think that I may have another one like this. But you can tell by my expertise in this particular device that I probably won't use it because I don't even know what knot I'd tie with it. I usually use my teeth. Anyway, and so here we got fishing hooks. So, I don't know. I might take one of these hooks and make my little articulating fishy with. That looks like a nice little hook to make it with. It is a... Ooh, that'll really set a hook. So if I remember right, the way you'll tie those is you tie it in segments, shape it like a fish, and then your hook is built into it towards the front. You'll tie the head of the fish on this, and then you're putting like fishing line coming back to these segments to make the rest of the tail of the fish so it'll swim. It's like a hand-tied jig swim bait. So I think I'm going to use one of these hooks. That would be pretty awesome, I think. I like the style of that hook. Here's another one that's just a little bigger, I think. And then I believe this is a larger size of the same hook. So I got multiple options. And then I've got some, looks like Eagle Claw laser hooks, the same deal, getting bigger and bigger in size. And that's some worm hooks, got some barbs on there. And then here looks like we got some crappie hooks. Can't believe I said crappie. All my life I've called them white perch. But yeah. So anyway, a nice assortment of hooks. So be looking if you see. And here's the thing about my channel. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm gonna do stuff on all kind of stuff. If it stunts my channel's growth, I can't do the niche thing. I can't just strictly post videos on one thing. I'll give up because it'll get boring to me. And if it's boring to me, I just can't do it. So I've got to post on different things that I'm interested in and that I hope you're interested in and you can learn from. So if you don't like what I'm posting, just stick around because something else is going to be there that you will like eventually, because I'm kind of interested in everything. And I post videos on things. I go into phases. I've done a lot of things on electronics and repair. And then I go into fishing stuff, and then I go into air gun stuff, then I go into knife stuff, and kind of float back and forth. And a lot of times how life points me, something breaks and I need to fix it, I'll do a video on it. Hey, you know what? I want to get back into that. I've been wanting to get back into shooting my bows again, so I want to get back into some archery videos. And so it's a little bit of everything. Just tune me out if it's stuff that you don't want to watch. And wait, because there'll be videos coming along that you're going to like. So anyway, I appreciate you. I enjoy you I hope you stuck around with me with this little tidbit here. And we will move forward and see what we're going to do in the future. I enjoy spending time with you, and I will see you next time. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.